So just trying to prove that a couple of the close buttons that did not function before now function properly. As you can see here, we're in 18.1. So let's find a bank account. And so these look like they've all cleared. I need some. So I can unpost it. Maybe even let's shift the date a little bit. Hit save. Hit post. Close it. So you can see that on the bank transfer screen. That worked. And then the other one we had was a bank transaction. So let's see if we can find one. Test data. So this account has a couple bank transactions. So let's check this one out. Let's unpost it. Post it. And let's try this one here. Let's unpost it and change the date. Let's change it back to post it. Load it. And so you can see the close buttons do work.